Online videos and the information inside them does not show up in AI search. The tools that people are using to crawl the web cannot run JavaScript. They can't pull the transcript out. So this is an example of, this is a YouTube video. And if I take this video and I go into ChatGPT using a temporary chat here and say, tell me what this video is about. And basically what it says is like, this is an hour-long video. It says, this is the title. There's no direct description because it can't see it. This is a big problem if you're using a lot of video in your marketing.
Right.
So then here's a video that's in Wistia, and this is what it's like to set up an LLM embed. You have your normal embed, responsive, what we've had for a long time. Then what we've done is we've introduced a new option, which is an LLM-friendly embed code.
Okay.
And it looks the same. It acts the same. The difference is this embed code has a lot more in it. What we're doing is we're taking the transcript. If it's an AI crawler, it gives them the transcript. It gives them more information about the video. And if it's a human, it just acts as normal. If I go to ChatGPT and I say, tell me about the video, it's searching. The LLM is doing its job of structuring the information for you. You can go and do this yourself. You don't have to use this tech from us. We're just making it incredibly easy.
So much easier.